Drug dealing? You think they need a fallen black hero? Why don't you cut through the bullshit?
What are you doing? Come here. Come here. What is that?
Loses its lead investigator next.
What is that?
Chapstick.
Rick is quite adamant that it's replacing a person of power. It's a high-profile position.
Good?
He wants to send the right message to the community.
It smells?
Just look at this black one I just bought.
No, not like that.
Oh, fuck you very much. But that's your thing. Actually, we were thinking about it.
No, not your tongue.
Till we saw that.
That's Diaz.
It's your brother's file. 20-something years old and already 3 felonies. 3 strikes left. Kid's going away for life.
You like it?
It's still, hey, you had every opportunity you had.
Freeze.
You freeze.
Fucking black people, huh?
Where you going? I can't see you.
Come on,
What are you doing back there?
frame of attention, isn't it? What are you, the fucking defender of all
You
things?
can't go outside today.
We're talking about a white man who shot 3 black men. And you're arguing that we're not being fair to him? You know what? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe Lewis did provoke this, and maybe he got exactly what was coming. Or maybe Stone...